Game.
Tamot.
Baleros versus
Rival number 14, Manuel. Ha? Rebound. Samson firing. Basket is good. First 5 seconds. Katampog. Australia. Firing na good.
Durga ito. Knockout game. Oh.
Here comes the main man, Ignacio. Size 7 move. In and out. Blind foul, tinawag number 17. Samson, first personal foul. First team foul. 9 minutes and 15 seconds. Tego Guzman, the team captain, agad. Put back on number 9.
Basket.
Sierra, ang Sportos. Sa ating unang quarter, Ignacio, Manuel, Tefano, firing, agad. Kapingan, mapupunta kay Tefano. Antonio, Pink and Pars, agad. Rebound on the captain, De Guzman. The number 4 man, Hanambog. Hanambog, Hanambog, firing, short. Lakon. 8 minutes and 35 seconds. Ignacio, crossover. Tefano, firing, basket is good. Ay, Tefano, 4-2. Dalawa kanabangan ng team.
4-2 pa lang.
Allen Water. Australia sa gilid. Ibinigay ni De Guzman. De Guzman to Australia. Australia, side 7 move, blank. Rebound ng Manuel na number 12. Ignacio, easy na yun.
Perfect layup ni Ignacio.
6-2, 8 minutes exactly, first quarter. Kanambog. Setting up play to number 8. Serra, the number 14, side 7 move, blank. Same ball. 12 seconds to shoot. 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Kawandog. Lays it up. Basket is good. Kanambog. Number 20.
Allen Water yung block.
Foul on number 8.
Yung red tsaka white. Yan yung Baleros.
First foul. First team foul. First round number 14, Manuel. Last draw. Short again. Rebound number 6. Number 20, Kanambog. Setting up play to number 10, the team captain. At the pass, Sierra, no good. Napigilan, mapupunta kay Manuel. Here comes Manuel, the number 24. No good. Black ball. 7 minutes and 11 seconds. Kesar, Ignacio. Pinagay Antonio, the number 14, Manuel. Basket is good. Parang passing play. 8-4. Apat ang kanabangan ng team. Allen Water. Australia.
Lamang yung block, 4, 8-4.
Osmanep, pala number 25. 23, Antonio. First foul. Basket. Last one, number 7, Australia. Basket.
Dalawa na lang.
6 minutes and 45 seconds. First quarter. Dalawang kanabangan ng Allen Water. Samson. Together. Ignacio for 3 points. Para basket. Ano pa yung Ignacio? 11-6. Kanambog. The number 10, De Guzman. No good. Napigan mapupumanda kay Antonio. Here comes Ignacio. Crossover move. Ignacio lays it up. No good. Rebound number 8. The number 20, Kanambog. De Guzman. Basket. Remaso, basket. Napilok pa si Idol.
Sakit yung pa.
Sama na guys, sama. May ka na natin. Yung pinamisit na sa Idol. 38. 5 minutes and 50 seconds.
Lamang yung block.
Kadambog. The number 10 man. Natin Katay de Guzman Kadambog. Nagpasahan. Still on number 12. Ignacio is again. 58.
Si Ignacio. La, still.
Is there again Antonio. Crossover move. Antonio basket. Out.
Lamang yung block to. Alin water. Lamang yung dun.
Bolero.
Sabol na to ang read. Sa Dorday.
Allen Water.
17-8. Lamang yung block. Siyam.
Number 20. Number 10 Baktat. Crossover move to number 20 for 3 naman.
Talaga dito.
Crossover move Manuel to number 17 Samson. 19-8.
19-8.
5 minutes and 10 seconds.
Medyo lumalayo ng kalamangan ng Allen Water.
Baktat.
Oh.
Foul number 17 Samson. Second foul. 30 foul.
Uy, ganda na.
Agad. Kapigan. Samson nakapulon. Samson to Manuel. Crossover move.
Ganda na kasi. Ay, yun lang, malakas. Ganda na kasi siya.
Bola number 12. Ignacio to the rep. Saan siya pasok. 1-8 to penalty. Four minutes and 35 seconds. Baktan, natabigan. Istila Samson to number 14. Manuel Nogod. Ano sa play na sila? There goes basket by Estrella. 19-10.
19-10. Siyam.
4 minutes and 14 seconds. Samson for 3 Nogod. Rebound number 10 man Baktan. 3-on-1 Baktan. Lays it up. Nogod. Abigan na po tayo Ignacio. Ignacio. The number 2. Para black. Baktan. The number 7 Estrella.
Bang!
Basket.
Ito na lang.
3 minutes and 50 seconds. Samson.
Hindi na tumalon si Dipano.
Ang veterans move. Ay Dipano 21-12. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Baktan. Pass for a long Trino good. Kapigan ni Guzman. Alcala to Kadambog. Crossover move. Kadambog na mga Manuel. 50 seconds to shoot. Kapigan. Estela Ignacio lays it up. Basket is good. By Kaiser Ignacio. 23-12. 3 minutes and 14 seconds. Number 10, Kadambog. Agad. Put back. Ball number 17. Third personal foul. Penalty kay ref.